everyone, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. Today we are performing a drama called Half the Price. Good afternoon everyone, I am Saiti from 6th standard. In this drama I am performing as a narrator. Good afternoon everyone, I am Rohita from 6th standard. In this drama I am performing as a fisherman. Good afternoon everyone, I am Rishmita from 6th standard. In this drama I am performing as a fisherman's friend. Good afternoon everyone, I am Panchakshari from 6th standard. In this drama I am performing as a gatekeeper. Good afternoon everyone, I am Chaitra from 6th standard. In this drama I am performing as a Raja. Good afternoon everyone, I am Harshita from 6th standard. In this drama I am performing as a Raja. Once there lived a fisherman in a town near the Arabian Sea. He was a wise old fisherman. You look very dull today. Why are you so worried? I have a daughter, is 17 now. I have a good bridegroom for her. Have not anyone yet? I found several young men. I do not have enough money for the marriage. Why cannot meet to the Raja and ask for his help? I wish to go, but I have nothing valuable to offer him. Take a fine fish from the sea as a gift. I have nothing valuable to the Raja. I will try my luck and meet the Raja. But at the palace gate, the gatekeeper stopped him. Hey man, you cannot go in. But I must see the Raja and give him this fish. You need not give him any fish. He has enough fish for several days. But I must speak to the Raja. I want to speak to him about an important matter. You need not speak to the Raja. Speak to me instead. I do not wish to speak to you about it. Why can't you speak to me? Is it a secret? I can keep secrets. You need not keep my secret and you must not stop here. Everyone in the town can see the Raja at any time. The Raja himself said so, I hear. But I am sorry, you are wrong. The Raja has ordered me not to let anyone in now. I must obey his order. I will not let you in. Please, let me in. I must see the Raja and give him this fish. Do you want to sell him this fish? What is its price? I am not selling it. I am giving it to the Raja. But still, you will certainly pay a good price for it. Now, shall we divide the money between us? Will you give me half the price? How can you do that? You need not do that. You need not go in now. What shall I do now? You can do one of the two things. Either agree to give me half the price or leave this place and go home. The fisherman stood there for some time thinking. Will you take half of anything that the Raja gives me? He will give you either gold or silver. What else will he give you? I don't know anything about it. Answer my question. Will you take half of anything I got from the Raja? Yes, I shall take anything. Now you can go in. Thank you very much. I shall certainly give you half the price I get for this fish. The fisherman appeared before the Raja with his big fish. He placed the fish with great respect at the Raja's feet. It is a fish that lives in deep sea 4 below surface of the water. It sometimes comes up to just several feet above the water. Of the morning, the levite fell into my hands. Now it is here before you. Send it to your cooks immediately. Will you enjoy your dinner today? Stay for dinner and enjoy it with us, my man. I invite you to dine in the palace today. Now, what shall I give you in return for this gift? Nothing, Your Highness. Your Highness, everybody in the palace must enjoy my gift. That is all I want. No, that is not enough. You must take something in return. Then, Your Highness, give me anything I ask for. Yes, anything. Then please order your men 200 lashes with a whip on my back. What a strange request this is. People say you are a wise man. But I don't think your request shows wisdom. What fun will you get out of lashes on your back? You and your men can get some fun watching the man lashing me. But I don't want to have such fun. Ask me something else. I do not wish to anything else, Your Highness. All right then, you have your lashes. Are you ready for that? Yes, I am Your Highness. But please call your gatekeeper in. Call the gatekeeper. The Raja sent his men to the gatekeeper and in a few moments he appeared. Your Highness, please give this man 100 lashes out of 200 lashes that you have promised me. What? 100 lashes? Why? I share this punishment with you. We agree to divide half the price that the Raja gives me. You wanted half of anything I get for the Raja. I am getting 200 lashes from him. 200 is 100. Not 100. Give the gatekeeper all the 200 lashes and dismiss him from my service. I feel ashamed because I kept such a bad servant all these days. You are indeed very wise. My good fisherman, this man was trying to teach you. You have cleverly brought punishment on him. I wish to give a good reward for your cleverness and wisdom. Ask me anything. I have a daughter. I am very soon. Give her away in marriage. I am very poor. Bring here the bridegroom of your choice. I shall get her married. I thank you, Your Highness. Thank you, one and all, for giving this wonderful opportunity.